ايه ده ايه ده. Have you heard Egyptians saying these two phrases and you are confused or you think that these two phrases are actually one phrase? In this episode, you will know exactly what each phrase means. But before I start, don't forget to sign up to my free Egyptian Arabic 101 course. You'll find the link in the first comment and the description box. Let's start. Spoken Egyptian is tricky, and some phrases may feel very similar to each other. And for non-native, you may also think that two phrases are actually the same phrase. I have an example. When we say in Egypt, إيه or إهدى, this is actually not the same phrase. They are two phrases, and these two phrases are typically an example of this type of phrase that confuses non-natives. So, إيه is not إهدى. And in this episode, I will tell you exactly what each phrase means and how you can use it in different situations. Let's start with the first phrase. إيه ده, which is A plus ده, it means what is this? So A is what? And ده is this. And usually you say إيه ده for masculine and AD for a feminine object. So what is this? Masculine is إيه ده. What is this? Feminine is AD. Okay, so when you hear something that is strange or you refer to something that you don't know, you say إيه ده. What is this? So this is the meaning of إيه ده. Now follow me. إيه ده here we don't pronounce the H. So we don't say إيه. It's إيه ده. إيه ده. This is very important because in the second phrase you will see the difference. So say it with me. إيه ده. Now let's move to the second phrase. Remember our first one? We said إيه ده. Now our second phrase. When I tell you اهدى شوية, or if I am talking to a lady, اهدي شوية, and notice the gesture, my hand, what I'm doing. اهدي شوية اهدى شوية. So what's the difference? The first phrase I said إيه ده. It's a question. The second phrase is اهدى, which means calm down. Okay, what's the difference? The first one, as I told you before, you don't pronounce the H. So you say إيه ده. Whereas the second phrase, you stress on the H. إهدى. So it comes from your chest. اهدى شوية. Or in case if it is to a female, اهدي شوية. اهدي شوية. So اهدى شوية, it means calm down. اهدى from the verb يهدأ. In Modern Standard Arabic it means to calm. And اهدي, it's a request or order. اهدى, a request or order. اهدى for male and اهدي for female. Now, after this important episode, when you hear an Egyptian saying إيه ده, what does it mean? Yes, perfect. What is this? Why it is what is this? Because there is no H. إيه ده. It's very fast. And there is no H, pronouncing H or emphasizing the H. So I will have another example. When I say اهدى شوية. اهدي شوية. Yes, it means calm down. Why? Because it has an H. إهدى إهدي. Perfect. Now, after this short episode, you are now mastering this difference. And this is very important for natives. And when you hear a native and you know what exactly this phrase is, it's very important to him or her and shows that you are really caring about spoken Egyptian and gives you a push into learning more. And also it will be very important So the native Egyptian will be very happy to help you further with spoken Egyptian. Thanks a lot for being with me in this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as I always say, don't forget to join my Egyptian Arabic 101 course and download the free ebook there. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box.